Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with GustanCho.com. A couple things I want to talk to you about you want to avoid when you're trying to repair your credit. One thing is when I'm doing a rapid rescore for you, let's say that I said pay this credit card down to this, pay this credit card down to that, I'm going to get your score up to this. So we have this period where your credit report's live and I'm repairing it. You can't go out and use another credit card and max it out because that'll offset anything that I'm trying to do on cleaning your credit up. So if I'm trying to get your score up by paying credit cards down, don't utilize other credit cards and build them up while I'm doing it. Otherwise it offsets what I'm doing, and it's just a waste of my money. And just trying to tell you, avoid when you're doing through rapid rescore with me, you've got to stop using all your credit card for like a week, and then by then we update your credit report and then you go back to using your credit cards. So that's one thing. Number two, going out on your own and paying things off, like paying credit cards off to zero sometimes can hurt your credit score. So don't be paying credit cards off unless you're being instructed to zero by someone who's telling you that's going to increase your score. I've seen credit scores fall when people are paying credit cards down to zero. A lot of the times paying a collection off doesn't help your credit score. That might just be a waste of money. I'm not telling you not to pay your collections, but it's not the best utilization of your money. Make sure that this is definitely going to help your score. So you want to avoid just paying off collections and making up your own calls. You want to pay to delete these collections. That'd be great. If you can delete the collection completely from your credit report, that's okay. You can do that. But just paying them to zero is not going to help. Pay to delete letters, those will help. You want to avoid running your credit during, if you're those inquiries are going to hurt you. So if you're trying to get your scores up, those inquiries, that running your credit will hurt your score, so avoid that. Don't go out and buy any new cars if you're trying to get your score up, because when you buy a car, you have a $19,000 loan and the high credit limit on that's $19,000. That's 100% utilization of that trade line. So new cars really bring your scores down in the beginning. It takes a while for it to come back. So keep that in mind. Opening up new credit cards will be okay, but again, you're going to have those inquiries. So time left to heal those inquiries, but opening new credit's good as long as you're not utilizing it too much, but you have to wait time. So it's right away your card's not going to give you a boost in your score. It takes time of you paying the credit card off. So keep that in mind. Don't let other things come to collections. If you're trying to repair your credit score and you get a letter in the mail that a collection's about to hit, that could be detrimental to your score. You might have to settle that. So watch out for new collections popping up. Keep an eye on everything that's happening with your credit when you're trying to repair it. Try to avoid these mistakes. I got 1,000 more things. If you got questions on what to avoid when repairing your credit, give me a call, or what to do to help your credit score, please give me a call. I'm always available for questions on how to do this kind of stuff. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Thank you.